starting with Canva, and this is the introductory class. I'm going to write canva.com in the browser. This runs in browser. This is your homepage, canva.com, and you will see the primary menu here, create, home, projects, templates. So we'll start with creating a canvas. Create. Let's take a poster design, and there are some sizes that are available, so probably I'm going to take this one, A2 size, a standard portrait size. Okay, so this is how a canvas looks like. When you click on it, by default some templates will open. Okay, so templates are the pre-designed designs which you can select it in search here, birthday posters, and you can just click on it and the posters will add on your screen. Okay, this is the left side, this is the side panel. Okay, it has elements wherein you can add birthday elements. So if you are writing here elements, so you'll see here photos. We can increase and decrease the size. Okay, there are photos also. We can add the photos, the graphics, the frames. So this is elements. Elements has also has its own menu. It has shapes, it has graphics, it has animation, photos, videos, audio, charts, forms, mockups, 3D grids, frames, a lot of options. Or you can search here also. Then in the left side panel we have text. We can add a text box here and we can start editing with the text. Then this is a brand kit. We can make our brand kits here. Then Canva AI, upload, tools, projects. This is all we are going to see in our upcoming designs that we will be doing. Okay, so this is our sheet. First, I have to tell you, this is the side panel. This is the canvas where we do the drawing. Okay, this is these are the slides, these are the canvases where we draw our designs, and there's one more view, that is show page thumbnails. If we click on it, it will show the thumbnails, and it is always advisable by me that you use thumbnails when you're working. Hide thumbnails if you click it on it again, or view thumbnails. In the design we can just do the close-up like this, or we can zoom in and zoom out like this. Okay, to see things closer. One of the greatest thing of canvas is that most of its elements are vector. That means that no matter how much you stretch them, they're not going to pixelate. Most of them are, not all, but most of them are vectors. So that's one reason I feel like sticking to Canva and using its elements. Okay, so let's say I want to download this design. I am okay with this design. How? And now I'm going to teach you the basics of how you can share or download this. So there's an option. So before that, you can always name your trial birthday poster. This is where you rename your project. Then you click on share. So you will see a lot of options here. Okay, so if you want to share it via link, only you can access. You can click here, anyone with the link can edit, can comment, or can view. If you click can edit and copy link, so anyone with the link will be able to edit your design. But if you click can view, they can only view your design, but they cannot edit it. If you want to download it, you'll click on download, and then here file type, you'll see what kind of a file type you want: JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4. These are all types that you can select. So if I'm selecting PNG is selected. So there are pages 1 to 4. Okay, I can compress the file, transparent background. These are all the paid features because the crown is, we can see here. Okay, on the size also, there's a crown. Now pages. Let's say I just want to download 1 and 2 pages, or maybe just one page. I'll click on done and I'll click on download, and it will start downloading. Okay, another thing that I would like to share is there's one option called present. When we want to see our designs, how they look, we'll click on present and we can click on autoplay. If there's any animation in the design, it will start playing on its own. Yeah, so it's moving. So this was our second sheet. Okay, so this was basically about this menu, which was important at present in the first thing, the the thumbnails. And in next class, I'm going to tell you about further things in Canva.